Hello everyone. In our previous class, we have learned about the universe and the Milky Way. Today, we are going to study about our solar system. Solar system. Our solar system consists of a medium-sized star called the Sun. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. The Sun is closest star to the Earth. There are 8 planets that move around the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And their 176 moons and nearly 180 satellites and their heavenly bodies together form the solar system. The solar system is also called as solar family. So let's study about one by one. The Sun. The Sun is a star. The Sun is the only source of heat and light in the solar system. And the other planets have no light of their own. They just reflect the light of the Sun. The Sun is the biggest member of the solar family. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and the nearest planet to the Sun. Because it is closest to the Sun, it is too hot to support any form of life. Next, Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system and the hottest planet. It is also called as morning and evening star. It appears as a bright object in the sky before sunrise and after sunset. That is why we call it as the morning and evening star. Next, Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and it is the fifth largest of the solar system. It is the only planet where life exists. Earth has both land and light. Mars. So Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and it is the second smallest planet in the solar system. So first smallest planet is Mercury and the second smallest planet is Mars. It is also called as red planet because it consists of clay rich in iron, carbon dioxide, argon and nitrogen etc. which gives the Mars its red color. Next, Jupiter. It is the fifth planet from the Sun and it is the biggest planet in the solar system. Next, Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and it is also called as ringed planet because of its beautiful rings surrounding it. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus appears blue-green in color due to its cold methane gas. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is very cold and windy. It is very cold because it is very far from the Sun. Satellite. Many planets in the solar system have a small heavenly bodies called satellites that revolve around them. The word satellite means smaller companions to various planets of the solar system. These satellites revolve around their respective planets. The satellites also follow them in their revolution around the Sun. Satellites can be natural or man-made. The Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Like planets, satellites also rotate on their axis. Man-made satellites sent into the space to collect information about Earth or the other planets. Now, planetary movements. All planets have two kinds of movements. One is rotation and one more is revolution. The spinning of the planet on its imaginary axis is known as rotation. The movement of the planet around the Sun along its elliptical and fixed orbit is known as revolution. All the planets, including Earth, revolve or go around the Sun on an imaginary path called orbit. Every planet has a fixed path or orbit. Let's see what is axis. There is an imaginary line that connects the two flat ends of the Earth. The top end is called North Pole and the bottom end is called South Pole. The imaginary line is called axis. The Earth spins or rotates on its axis all the time. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. We call this amount of time a day. Other planets take different amount of time to rotate on their axis. The part of the earth facing the sun has light. We call this as a day. The part away from the sun is dark. We call this as a night. We all know that Saturn has a beautiful ring around it, but Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune also have a ring around it. While Saturn's rings are as bright as the planet itself, the rings of the other three planets are dark and completely invisible to all but the most powerful telescope. Well, this is all about our solar system. I hope you enjoy this class. So let's meet in our next class with a new topic. Till then, good day.